Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Dengue virus NS1 Antigen CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI Dengue virus NS1 Antigen CLIA. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml AB label, 5.5 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. The reference number of this kit is 130219029M. Here we can see the lot number and the expiry date. The manufacturing address of this kit is China, so the origin of the kit is China. Here we can see one instruction inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. This is the overall front view of this product. This is the top view. In the side angle we can see MAGLUMI Dengue virus NS1 Antigen. Reference number of this kit is 130219029M. On the side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. The back side is a plain. So this is a overall view of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, first one we can take the control solution. Here we can see the reagents and the instructions manuals is there. I'm going to take this. After taking all of those, this is an empty box there. Here we can see Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Dengue virus NS1 Antigen. Reference number of this kit is 130219029M. 100 tests per kit. Here we can see the indent use, summary, test principle, reagents. Kit contains warnings and precautions, reagent handling, specimen collection and preparation, assay procedure, calibration, quality control, sample testing, all the information in this instruction manual. So I'm going to keep this aside. The next one is a reagent seal, 3 nurses. I'm going to keep this aside. Next one is the control stickers. Over here we can see dengue virus NS1 antigen control stickers. Control 1 for 4 nurses, control 2 for 4 nurses. Next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. And the control solutions packed in a cover. I'm going to unpack this. MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, dengue virus NS1 antigen CLIA control 1. And next one, MAGLUMI, volume of 1 ml, dengue virus NS1 antigen CLIA control 2, both are 1 ml, control 1, control 2. And the final one is MAGLUMI dengue virus NS1 antigen CLIA. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml AB label, 5.5 ml dilute. In this way you can see this is a sealed container. On the back side we can see the reagents. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about Snibe Diagnostic MAGLUMI dengue virus NS1 antigen CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, a reagent seal, a control stickers for control 1 and control 2, a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostic, a control solutions control 1 and control 2, and the reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml AB label, 5.5 ml dilute. This is a overall view of this kit. Thank you.